The Clarke CBB250 10-inch bench polisher is ideal for buffing and polishing metal and composite surfaces to a bright lustered finish. This unit features a heavy-duty cast iron base with rubber feet, which reduces vibration, and it can also be bolted to a workbench to make it even easier to use. The powerful and very smooth-running built-in motor delivers 750 watts of power and spins the 10-inch polishing mops at 2,980 RPM. The bearing-balanced precision machine shafts ensure excellent performance and minimize operator fatigue. For added safety, a front-mounted on-off switch makes the CBB250 easy to switch off. And the polishing mops are simple to fit and remove, making for efficient working. This reliably built machine is also supplied with 2 stitched polishing mops to help get you started. A range of polishing compounds and mops are available from your local Clarke stockist. Smooth and reliable, the CBB250 should handle all of your polishing needs for many years to come.